हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन डाइवर्जेंस एंड कर्ल ऑफ वेक्टर पॉइंट फंक्शन। ओके, सो वी हैव दिस डेल, राइट? इन माय लास्ट वीडियो आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू अबाउट द ग्रेडियंट ऑफ स्केलर पॉइंट फंक्शन. नाउ वी हैव divergence and curl of vector point function. So if del we know, this del we have I del by del x plus j del upon del y plus k del upon del z, right? Okay, so with this del, if you have any scalar phi, so this will be your grade phi, that is your vector now. And if you have vector point function, suppose f, this is the scalar, and if you have the vector point function f, then if you take the dot product with this del, so dot product del f, del is the vector, f is the vector, so we get the dot product. So dot product will be divergence of f. And if you take the cross product del cross f, so this will be your curl of f. Very simple. Dot product will be divergence of f and cross product will be curl of f. Let us see what is this divergence. Okay, so del we have I del by del x plus j del upon del y plus k del upon del z. Fine. Dot f, let us have this f is, your f vector is f1 I plus f2 j plus f3 k. So here we get f1 I plus f2 j plus f3 k. Now this I into I will be 1 and I into j will be 0, I into k will be 0, because dot product, the orthogonal of two vectors, the is 0, dot product of two orthogonal vector will be 0, right? So I and j are both are orthogonal, theta is 90 degree, so I into j into cos theta, so the dot product of two orthogonal vector will be 0. So here we get only three terms, I into I, j into j and k into k. Remaining will be 0 due to dot product of orthogonal vector will be 0. So we get del f1 by del x plus del f2 by del y, I into I, j into j and k into k will be del f3 by del z. So this is your divergence of f. Okay, what is this curl of f? Curl is will be I del by del x plus j del upon del y plus k del upon del z cross f1 I plus f2 j plus f3 k. So this will be your determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix. So first row will be I j k, second row will be del component, that is your del by del x, del by del y, del by del z, and third row will be your f component. So this will be your f1, f2, f3. So this is your curl of f. Fine. So now let us see the determinant. So I, so we will get this one. So del f3 by del y minus del f2 by del z plus j into, I have given plus, so del f1 by del z minus del f3 by del x plus k. So we have del f2 by del x plus del f1 by del y. So this is your curl of f. So the gradient of f, the divergence of f will be scalar and the curl of f will be again one vector. So this is the definition of divergence and curl of the vector point function. So this is the divergence and this is your curl. Fine. Okay. Let us see one example of this gradient, divergence and curl. Let f is given x, y, z I plus sine x, y, z, j plus x, y square, z q, k. So question is find the divergence of this given vector f. F is the vector point function. So we find gradient. So your notation will be grad dot f, or we say divergence of f. So this will be your I del by del x plus j del upon del y plus k del upon del z plus I into x y z plus j into sine x y z plus k into x y square z q, right? Okay. So this will be your I into I. So we get that term del by del x of x y z plus j into j del upon del y of sine x y z del upon del z will be x y square z cube. So now this is the partial differentiation. So here we get yz, fine, plus here we get differentiation of sine. So that will be your cos xyz into xz, fine, because first you differentiate the sine function, after that again you need to differentiate the xyz with respect to y, and here we have 3x y square z square. So this is your divergence of f. Fine. So this was the one question. Let us take one more question based on the divergence and curl. Question is find the divergence and curl of the given vector f equal to x y square I plus 2x square yz j minus 3yz square k at the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. The question is find the divergence and curl of this given vector at the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. Let us see the definition. So this is the f1, this is the f2, this is the f3. So f1, f2, f3 are f component. So gradient of f will be, I am writing directly, that will be your del f1 by del x plus del f2 by del y plus del f3 by del z. Fine. So f1 is the I component, coefficient of I component, f2 is the j component, f3 is the k component. So this is a gradient, right? So this will be your del by del x and f1 is your xy square plus del by f2 will be 2 x square yz plus del by del z of f3 is minus 3 y z square. So this will be your y square and y. So we get 2 x square z and minus 3 z square. This is your gradient of f. And if you want to find that particular point, so 1 comma minus 1 comma 1, so in the place of x will put 1, in the place of y will put minus 1, in the place of z will put the 1. So we get here 1 plus 2 into 1 square into 1 minus 3 into 1. So what we get? We are getting 6yz. So we are getting 3 minus 3 equal to 0. So this is your gradient of f. Gradient of f will be 0. This is fine. No, here del by del z of minus 3yz square. So this will be minus 6z. 6z. So we get minus 6zy del by z 6zy. So we will get plus here. So 3 plus 6 equal to 9. Your answer is 9. Sorry, the differentiation here minus 3yz square differentiation with respect to z, that will be minus 6yz. So z equal to 1, y equal to minus 1. So 3 plus 6 9. Okay, fine. This was the gradient of divergence of f at this point. Okay, let us see that what is the curl of f. Same f. So curl of f will be your, so curl of f will be, the first row you know already, that will be I j k. Second row will be del by del x, del by del y and del by del z, and third row will be that vector f component. So that will be your xy square and 2 x square yz and minus 3 y z square. Fine. Okay, so let us open that. So we get I del by del y of minus 3yz square. So we get the minus 3z square. So minus 3z square minus del by del z of 2x square yz. So we get 2x square y. So 2x square y. This is your I minus 3z square minus 2x square y. Okay, fine. Plus j. So del by del z of xy square 0 minus del by del x of minus yz square. So 0 plus k into del by del x of 2x square yz. So 4x yz. Fine. Minus del by del y of xy square. So 2xy. Fine. So 4xyz minus 2xy. Now this curl of f at the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. So what we get? In the place of x 1, in the place of y minus 1, in the place of z we get the 1. So I, so minus 3 z square and plus 2 1 into 2. I minus 3 plus 2. J already 0, k into 4xyz. So we get minus 4 and plus 2. So answer will be minus I minus 2k. Minus I minus 2k. So this is the curl of f at the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. Fine. Okay. So now the next problem we'll see where we are going to use all three definitions: gradient, divergence and curl. Fine. Okay. So question is, find the divergence of f and curl of f where f is given grade of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Fine. So we need to find the divergence of f, curl of f where f equal to gradient of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So first you find the gradient f, grade of phi. So this is your phi. So what we get? I del phi by del x plus j del phi by del y plus k del phi by del z. I have given already one video for the gradient. You can go and check that. I'll give that link of that video in the description box. Okay. So this will be your I del phi by del x. So this will be your 3x square minus 3yz plus j del phi by del y. So 3y square minus 3xz plus k del phi by del z. So we get the 3z square minus 3xy. So this is your f vector. We find gradient of phi. Now divergence of f. So this is your f1 vector, f1 component. This is your f2 component, and this is your f3. Right. So gradient of divergence of f will be your del f1 by del x plus del f2 by del y plus del f3 by del z. Fine. So del f1 by del x, what we get? Tell me. So differentiation of f1 with respect to x. So we get 6x, right? Yeah. Plus del f2 by del y. So we get 6y plus del f3 by del z, 6z. So 6x plus y plus z. So this is your divergence of f, right? Now we will see the curl of f. So curl of f will be determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix. Fine. So del by del x, del by del y, del by del z, and here we have f1, f2, f3. So let us write down what is f1 here. F1 is the I component, 3x square minus 3yz. f2, 3y square minus 3xz, and f3 is 3z square minus 3xy. Fine. Now we will open that determinant I del by del y. So what we get here? Minus 3x, right? Minus plus del by del z. So we get the 3x plus j into del by del z. So minus 3y del by del x plus 3y plus k minus 3z plus 3z. So 0. So curl of f is 0. Fine. So we have seen that curl of gradient of phi is 0. So whatever phi we have, whenever you take that curl of gradient of any scalar, that will be always 0. So this is called the vector identities. Okay. So we have many vector identities. We will discuss in the next video, and If you like my video, you please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. You please subscribe my channel so that you can get the update about my upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.